Hi guys! Bukas ay birthday ko. Sa akin ba ito? Pangalan ko. So, mag-ano na lang kami. Okay. Okay, try ko nga kung maririnig nyo, ano ko. It's me. Okay. Try ko nga sa What happened to you on a different day? On a kid, where was it around the way? Your name and the street, the little kids play on the edge, just the snow. What a way, what are you? Sorry. Whew. Pero, ulitin ko na. You wake up one day and that your love is what we say. That your statement that your love.
Leo, sa'yo na si Baby Bear.
Oh, I wanna know. You wake up one day and that your love. Hindi ko alam talaga kung sayaw. Okay. What happened to you on a different day? Okay, what was it around the way? Your name in the street, the little kids play in the air, just the snow. But you were alone, I can't find. You know what the day when I was a fire, Hindi naman talaga yun. Humihinga talaga yun. Okay, try natin humihinga talaga. Humihinga. What happened to you on a different day? Okay, what was it around the way? Your name is the little kids there. In the air, it's just the snow. What a way, what are you alone? I can't what a car. You are, no one knows where you are. The thing we're nice, but you're like. So, mihinga yun. Mihinga version. So, okay, try nga natin kay This is Mr. Trevor. Okay. Making adobo. Sorry. Hindi lang. Sand lang yun ano lang ako. Ipito niyo mukha. Paano lang? Ching, ching.
Mame.
Ching.
Yan.
Okay. Okay, magdadaw na tayo. Please. Introduce it. Okay. Ay, sorry. Okay, please introduce it. For the normal day of the life of Joe. Normal life of the Joe. So, okay, introduce the dog. Usyo, hi. Ito na lang.
Jelly pa ako.
Usyo. Hi.
Si Jelly ako ulit to. Yan, bakit ako kayo po?
Usyo, hi. He's alive from the doctor. Now time to tayo. Oh, hell no. It's not awake again. Usyo. Hi. Usyo, hi. Usyo, hi. Usyo.
Jelly wag. Jelly wag.
Usyo, hi. Usyo, hi. Usyo. Usyo, hi. Usyo, hi. Wake up, doggy. Finally wake up. Time to take her. Okay. Lay Okay. Time to eat! Okay, time to write in the strong dog. This is Spark.
Wait lang si Bieli din.
Huwag na Biel si ate muna. Okay na. This is Spark. It's the strongest. Okay, we're here. Time this is the Biel.
Lagay mo si Bieli.
Hawak sa Trevor ah. Ito, hawak.
Kala ko ikaw si Bieli.
Okay, hawakan ko si Biel. Okay na. Sorry, kapag na ano. Ikaw na panood ko ng pag-uri ako. Okay, doggy, time to eat some mini lunch.
I thought you're super hungry.
Okay, he's hungry. And he ate all of it. It's a fish, doggy, fish. Do not swallow. There's some dog food. Shake paws to give you treats. Hey, I had some treats. Okay, he is in her dog house. Time to hear her. Okay, time to smell her the food. To wake her up. Wait. Bieli. Let's go. First, shake paws. Roll around. Wait lang. Trampoline. Frog dance. Ang galing na aso. Do the party lane and lonely dog dance. Okay. Do the backflip. Okay, here's a treat. Ew! Okay, here's some more because you're so good. He's going back to bed. Okay, time to smell her the food again. Fourth one, snap. Okay, now this is the last one. Wait, tayo ulit. And let's just smell the beauty.
Kunyari sobrang tulog daw ako, hindi ko daw na
Now with the big guns. Use this one. No, do the backflip.
No. Ayam yan.
Do the backflip. Okay, do the hook poke. Hindi, do the hook poke. Do the Spider-Man dance. Do the Spider-Man move. Okay. Do the bark eating. Save that kid. Save the kid.
Okay.
It's a big treat. Okay, time to take a shower. It's just me chopping yung chocolate ko.
Chok lang yun. Chok.
Okay, time to take a shower, doggy. Papa. Oh, you want some?
Hindi ko na inom, diba? Hindi ko na inom yung chocolate.
You want some food?
No.
Take a shower. I'm gonna give you food. Even, I'm gonna carry it. I want to sleep. Okay. Kung gusto mo mag-sleep, balik ko pa. Okay, time to happy you. Hindi ko sinusunod.
Wag tutulog. Tutulog.
Natutulog sa ilalim ng kutsara. Naglalaro kami. Basta
Sinipsip mo yan?
Okay guys, bye-bye na, maglalaro na kami for today.